Hi everyone, this is Stacy in Japan and welcome to my channel Demois Journeys. Yay! I am from Jamaica and I've been in Japan now for 5 months since August 21st. Yay! I'm not very good at doing YouTube videos yet since it was not my original plan to have a channel, but I've been keeping a record of my experiences and sharing them on my blog. You can check out that blog via link below. So I just want to say welcome to all the subscribers, especially those referred by Dave Trippin. Hi Dave! Thank you so much for your referral. If you have not been following Dave's channel, I will leave a link below also. It is very good for information, current information, and his personal experiences. And he has really just shared everything. Kudos to you, Dave. Okay, so he was quite instrumental in helping me to transition into this very, very foreign country. And if you know anything about Jamaica, Japan is nothing like Jamaica. Nothing at all. If you're Jamaican, you'll understand that. So my intention for this channel is to share my personal experiences because, as they like to say, every situation is different. And so it will be different for me. I am currently living in Takahama City in Aichi. So everything will basically surround my experiences in this prefecture, basically for the most part. Yes, so I will share information that I believe will be helpful, useful, especially for those who are thinking of coming to Japan or those who have just arrived, like more recent than myself because I'm still pretty new. Right? So while a lot of the information might not be new in content, it will be new from my perspective. So I'm going to share it. So that's it. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy the content. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, you can leave them below, or any suggestions, okay, yes, or any suggestions, please leave them below. Thank you for checking out this channel. This is Stacy in Japan. God bless you.